Hi guys! So, I know that I don't normally film this way, but I got my Minifee finally from Denver Doll, and I'm so excited because it's been way longer than I thought it was going to be. And I'd say about 6 months now. I ordered her July 30th, so she shipped exactly to the day. It is now February 4th, and she shipped on the 30th of January. So I'm gonna open her up. Sorry that there's no face cam this time, but I am tired. It's after work, and I just want to see my new girl because I have not. This is my first custom, fully, pre-ordered doll that I got. So this is going to be a Minifee Soo Dark Elf in normal skin, and she's going to be for my my D&D character Shyvana, if you remember from my first video. So let's dig in here. So looks like Denver Doll sent a couple of things. Nice little pen. That's kind of cute. Alright, don't want to show off any of my info here. Looks like that's just my invoice. Okay, so let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so this is the top. Get this box out of the way. And let's get the plastic wrap off of her. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. My first doll. Ooh, the boxes are so nice. That is a really nice box. I had heard that their Minifee boxes or just Fairyland boxes are really nice. All right. Go ahead and put that down. Oh, I can already smell the resin, new resin. And I'm actually going to put on my nice gloves, being this my first doll. I don't want to ruin anything, so I'm being overly cautious. So let's see. So we got our Minifee booklet here with all of the string guides and care instructions. And then we have both our Denver Doll COA and our Fairyland COA. So that's really nice. And here she is. I'm so excited. So I did get heel feet with her and then a pair of eyes. So they should be both. So here's the heel feet. And I did order her with a face up. I believe this is just plastic. Oh, yep, and here are the eyes. So I got some glass blue eyes for her. I'll open those up in a little bit. Take off the face, or the face protector. She's so pretty. So I did order a face up, but it does look a little bit more basic than I would like, but that's okay. Should have put that the other way. Let me get some scissors because I don't want to try and pull that up over her face. My cats are playing in my boxes. All right. Oh, she's so pretty. So here's her face. Hope you can see that. She's so pretty. Wow. Okay, so not as basic as I thought for the face up, because actually, I mean, the character I have in mind for her is, you know, an elf, as evident by the ears and everything, but her resin is so nice and smooth. Really like that. She does have the normal Fairyland seam lines, it looks like, but they're nice and smooth. All right, she's so pretty. So I know this was pretty short for a box opening, but I will be putting on an outfit for her and everything in an update video after this, so stay tuned for that whenever I get a chance to film it. So until then, yay!